Before we begin, have you ever needed to edit a PDF only to discover that most editors either require an expensive subscription or force you to install bulky software? The good news is that you don't need any of that anymore. Today, we're counting down 5 of the best online PDF editors you can use directly in your browser. Whether you want to edit text, sign documents, convert files, or compress large PDFs, these websites can save you time and make your work much easier. Starting at number 5, Docfly. Docfly is a simple online PDF editor that's perfect for quick edits. You can change text, insert images, add signatures, highlight important information, and even protect your PDF with a password. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it a great option if you only edit PDFs occasionally. The free version has some limits, but it's still useful for small jobs. At number 4, PDF Gear. PDF Gear has become one of the most popular free PDF editors available online. It lets you edit text, annotate documents, convert PDFs to different formats, merge files, split documents, and even includes an AI assistant that can summarize or answer questions about your PDF. Best of all, many of its features are completely free and don't leave annoying watermarks on your files. If you're looking for the best free option, PDF Gear deserves serious attention. Coming in at number 3, I Love PDF. If you've ever searched for PDF tools online, you've probably seen I Love PDF. It's packed with useful features like merging PDFs, splitting files, compressing documents, converting between Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF, rotating pages, and adding watermarks. The website is fast, works well on both desktop and mobile devices, and offers one of the best free plans available. It's an excellent all-around tool for students, professionals, and everyday users. At number 2, Small PDF. Small PDF is known for its beautiful interface and incredibly easy-to-use tools. You can edit PDFs, compress files, convert documents, organize pages, fill out forms, and electronically sign important documents in just a few clicks. It also integrates with popular cloud storage services, making it easy to work with files stored online. While some advanced features require a premium subscription, the free version is more than enough for most people. And finally, our number 1 pick is Adobe Acrobat Online. Adobe created the PDF format, so it's no surprise that its online editor is one of the best available. Adobe Acrobat Online allows you to edit text, add comments, fill and sign forms, convert documents, organize pages, and collaborate with others. It offers professional-level accuracy, excellent compatibility, and a reliable experience across different devices. Although some advanced tools require a paid subscription, it's still the gold standard for serious PDF editing. So, which online PDF editor should you choose? If you want the best free experience, PDF Gear is an excellent choice. If you need an all-in-one toolkit with plenty of features, I Love PDF is hard to beat. Small PDF is perfect for users who want a polished and easy-to-use interface, while Adobe Acrobat Online remains the best option for professionals who need maximum reliability and advanced tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which PDF editor you use the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.